One misty morning, Husky the rabbit was hopping through a quiet forest trail, enjoying the fresh scent of pine and wildflowers. Suddenly, Husky heard a soft cry. His ears perked up, and he followed the sound. Behind a bush he saw a young deer, with its leg caught in a hunter's net. "Don't worry," Husky whispered. "I'll get you out." With careful bites and tugs, he freed the deer. "Thank you," the deer said, standing up slowly. "My name is Tara." "I'm Husky," the rabbit replied with a smile. A few days later, Husky climbed a rocky hill to collect herbs. Suddenly, the ground beneath him gave way. Just as Husky started to fall, Tara appeared. She ran forward and caught him by the scruff of his neck. Husky lay safely on the grass, panting. "You saved me!" "We're even now," Tara said with a grin. As the sun set, they sat quietly, grateful for each other. Friendship, they knew, was about being there, no matter what.